Hi, I'm Pat Hogan. I'm the construction manager on Argonne's Energy Sciences building project. I'm here today to share a little bit with you about recent developments in the project, both now and the upcoming weeks, so that you can be aware as both pedestrians and drivers adjacent to the construction project of where our fence line will be, what we're currently working on, all in the interest of making sure that you're informed and that you can remain safe as we do our work and you do yours. I'm sure you're aware of the current ESB construction area site fence, and that fence area will be modified in the upcoming weeks in the early to mid-December range as we move the fence closer to Northgate Road. The work we have will require us to move the fence all the way to east of the current sidewalk on Northgate Road, requiring us to close that sidewalk off. We will also have to close the parking lot at Building 222. We have some underground work in both areas that to ensure the safety of workers, pedestrians, and people who park and walk, we have to close the lot and the sidewalk off. So the fence will move all the way out to the edge of Northgate Road. Prior to doing that, we will have installed a temporary parking lot northeast of Building 202 and a new footpath that runs along the east side of Northgate Road. Pedestrians coming in from Northgate, for example, would walk their current path along Northgate Road on the west side. When they get to 94th Street, there'll be a pedestrian crosswalk where they can cross over to the east side of the road and continue to walk south until just about in front of Building 222, where there'll be another pedestrian crosswalk where they can cross the street again. This will allow them to get safely around the new ESB expanded footprint, which will remain in place until the project is over in approximately the summer of 2013. Two additional things we've done to ensure the safety of both pedestrians and drivers is one, we've closed a portion of Meridian Road to allow only pedestrians and bicycle traffic. This gives pedestrians and bicycles a route around the western edge of the construction site. Another thing we've done is to close 94th Street at Meridian Road. This is important because there's a great deal of construction traffic entering 94th Street as well as traffic going to Building 240. 94th Street now is reserved only for vehicular traffic and only eastbound vehicular traffic. It's important that pedestrians and bike riders are aware of this and do not walk or ride their bikes on 94th Street. If you need to traverse from Building 240 to the rest of the campus, please use the Building 240 parking lot and access the pedestrian walkway along Northgate Road from the Building 240 parking lot. Over the next 6 to 9 months, you'll see the walls and columns of the ESB rise up. ESB will require approximately 10,000 cubic yards of concrete, which equates to about 1,100 concrete trucks. So you'll see quite a bit of concrete trucks both in and out of the site over the next 6 to 9 months. We ask that you be aware of that. So far, ESB construction has logged over 9,500 work hours without a single recordable injury, and we've only had one first aid incident. We're happy with the current safety record, and we will continue to focus on safety throughout the life of this 24-month project.